Bitcoin just shattered expectations, hitting $123,000 in a move that shook the entire financial world. The US didn't just watch from the sidelines. It declared itself the crypto capital of the world. This is no longer speculation. It's happening right now. Regulations are flying through Congress, Wall Street is piling in, and altcoins are exploding. Smash like if you believe we're witnessing a financial revolution, and let's dive in. President Trump just changed the game with one signature. He signed the Genius Act, the first full-scale federal law regulating stablecoins. From now on, any coin like USDC or PYUSD must be fully backed by US dollars or treasury bills. They also need to publish monthly audits, ensuring transparency for users and regulators. This is monumental. It means crypto is being treated like real financial infrastructure now. It gives stability to the market and builds trust with regulators. This new law creates a legitimate on-ramp for institutions. JP Morgan can launch its own stablecoin. Citigroup can tokenize real-world assets. Fintechs can innovate without fearing sudden lawsuits. This isn't just legislation. It's the clearest signal yet that the US is inviting innovation, not banning it. And this isn't just talk. These giants have already begun laying the groundwork to roll out tokenized products. But that's not all. The US House just held Crypto Week. 3 major bills passed. The Genius Act for stablecoin regulation, the Anti-CBDC Act which blocks a government digital dollar, and the Clarity Act to define which tokens are securities or commodities. That's 3 wins in 1 week. 3 huge shifts. It's the kind of coordinated regulation the industry has begged for. These laws passed with bipartisan support. That's rare, and it signals serious momentum. Trump's message is clear. America will lead the global crypto economy. The rest of the world? They're watching and scrambling to keep up. The UK, EU, and Singapore are drafting similar frameworks, but the US just planted its flag in the center. US regulators are now drafting guidelines for banks and asset managers, giving Wall Street the green light to move billions. And they're not hesitating. Firms like Fidelity, BlackRock, and Schwab are allocating like never before. There's no turning back. In response to all this, the crypto market hit a milestone, $4 trillion market cap. Just 18 months ago, we were under $1 trillion. That's a 4x explosion, in part due to policy clarity and in part due to institutional adoption finally arriving. Bitcoin broke $123,000, then settled near $118,000, still up 27% this year. That's outperforming gold, real estate, tech stocks, and just about everything else. Bitcoin is no longer the rebel asset, it's the new gold standard. Institutional money is pouring in. Ethereum ETFs saw $726 million in one-day inflows. Bitcoin ETFs pulled $1.18 billion, the most in 2025 so far. These are retirement funds, sovereign wealth, and corporate treasuries reshaping the market. And it's not just about spot prices. Sentiment is soaring. The Fear and Greed Index hit greed, and it's climbing. We're in the early stages of what could be the largest run ever seen. Some analysts at Bernstein now project Bitcoin could reach $200,000 by the end of the year. That's not based on hype, it's math. Limited supply, demand explosion, and macro tailwinds. Trump is also reportedly drafting an executive order to allow crypto inside 401k retirement plans. That's a $9 trillion market up for grabs. If that goes through, expect demand to double almost overnight. Altcoin season? It's already here. Bitcoin dominance is falling, and altcoins are flying. Ethereum is at $3,420, up 40%. XRP has surged to $3.60, up 64%. Solana sits at $175, backed by massive DeFi growth. Avalanche is at $45, showing strong momentum. Algorand is pushing DeFi hard at $0.4. Dogecoin is at $0.25. And yes, even Doge is outperforming tech stocks. Cardano remains steady and scaling at $0.85. Polkadot is up at $15.50 as it pushes interoperability. Binance Coin still leads at $750.50. Hedera and Kaspa are gaining traction through real-world usage. ETF support and market clarity have created the perfect storm. Altcoin traders are seeing massive gains, and institutions are buying in too. The altcoin narrative isn't just hype anymore. It's capital-backed, roadmap-driven, and infrastructure-ready. The crypto world didn't just grow, it matured. Ripple settled a major compliance dispute. WazirX in India experienced a major cyber breach. Charles Schwab is launching Bitcoin trading for everyday investors. Ethereum's upgrade boosted staking and DeFi yields, and Trump said it directly. Bitcoin outperformed every single stock this year. It's a big statement, and it's true. Every one of these headlines represents validation, from finance giants to political leaders. This isn't just another bull run. It's a policy-backed global shift. We're moving from speculation to structure, from trading to infrastructure, from meme coins to financial systems. Bitcoin at $123,000 was the warning shot. Ethereum ETFs, stablecoin laws, and token classifications are the foundation. This is the era of legitimized crypto. The barriers are being lifted, the on-ramps are open, institutions are on board, governments are participating. And if that executive order for 401k crypto access drops, we're looking at a wave of money we've never seen before. The next 6 to 12 months are set up to be explosive. Smart investors aren't waiting, they're already in position. New reports suggest that US government agencies are preparing infrastructure to monitor stablecoin circulation through registered custodians. That means every major bank may soon have a crypto compliance arm. Expect hiring booms, infrastructure investment, and rapid rollouts. Ethereum's next upgrade, codenamed Serenity Plus, is projected to have transaction fees and double throughput. Developers say it will make Ethereum the default chain for enterprise smart contracts. It's a bold claim, but with $726 million flowing into ETFs in a single day, the market seems to agree. Meanwhile, global headlines are dominated by America's pivot. Major Asian and European markets are reassessing policies, and crypto lobbyists are gaining more traction globally. Brazil and South Korea announced parallel bills inspired by the Genius Act. This is no longer a niche trend, it's a worldwide movement. For everyday investors, this creates an inflection point. Do you position early or watch from the sidelines? Bitcoin isn't the underdog anymore. It's the reserve asset of the digital era. Ethereum is the financial internet. XRP is the cross-border standard. And Solana, Avalanche, and others are shaping what comes next. Trump's Genius Act wasn't just policy. It was a signal flare, a declaration that America is in the race. And based on the $4 trillion valuation we're seeing now, the race is well underway. Here's where the market stands. Bitcoin, $117,839 Ethereum, $3,420 Binance Coin, $750.50 Solana, $175 XRP, $3.60 Dogecoin, 0.25 Cardano, 0.85 Polkadot, 15.50 Avalanche, 45.0 Algorand, 0.40. Like and follow, and we'll see you at the top.